Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a certified pre-owned 2018 Jeep Compass Latitude 4-wheel drive, stock number E1971A. Only 16,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check Historybr report, granite crystal metallic in color. To be certified pre-owned, vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Seats 5. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Latitude has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel and put you in that perfect driving position. Push button start. Again, only 16,000 miles. With driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Heated seats, heated steering wheel, along with dual zone automatic temperature control, compass, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. It's great for wireless music streaming. And there's of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things used most often. USB and auxiliary input allowing you to connect those media devices. And 4-wheel drive, giving you the greatest capability no matter what the surface. 9-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Compass has a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder, 180 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 22 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 30 on the highway, and approximately 50% of that tire tread left. Don't forget about that certified pre-owned warranty, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.